Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to study one of the lab programs, that is write a program to create a class with the data members, principal, time and rate, create member functions to accept data values, to compute simple interest and display the result. Here you can see I have already written in a multi-line comment as write a program to create a class with the data members, principal, time and rate. Create member functions to accept data values, to compute simple interest and display the result. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Now we are going to define a class called SI. Then I'm going to take time, rate and principal as data members. So here I'll write int time, then I'll write float principal, that is principal amount, then rate. Next I'm going to write the public members, that is void. I'll take get data. Now here I'm going to define get data by receiving the input from the user. So we'll use here input output cascading as enter the principal, time and rate of interest from the user. Now we will take scene, then we will write here first principal, then we will take time, then we will take rate of interest, then curly closing brace. Next we will go for defining one more member function. So that is here we will take float compute SI, that is simple interest function, here wherein we are going to write the formula to calculate the simple interest. Here we are returning float type of data, so that's the reason we are going to write here return, and inside the round braces I'm going to write the formula, that is principal amount into time into rate of interest divided by 100. So here I'm going to write 100.0 because it is returning floating type of data, then put semicolon and curly closing brace. Now I'm going to define one more member function which is used to display the data as output. So let us write void display, then curly open brace. Here I'll write cout and I want to display simple interest is equal to, in a double quotation mark and then double less than symbol, that is stream insertion. Here I'm going to call compute SI, compute underscore SI, put semicolon, then curly closing brace for this particular member function, and next curly closing brace that indicates the end of class definition. Now you need to put semicolon, then we are going to define the main function to create the object of this particular class. The name of the class is SI. Then I'm going to create one object called S. Now with the help of this object S, it is possible for us to access the member function outside the class definition. Now S dot, I'll write get data, then I'm going to write S dot put data, or you can say display. Here we have used function name as display. So why can't we access to compute SI? Because it is already called in display function. So display calls compute SI function itself. So that's the reason we are not accessing it with the help of object. So get ch, then curly closing brace. Now compile, alt F9, success, there is no error. Next control F9. Here you can see enter the principal, time and rate of interest. Now here you can see I'm going to enter 100 rupees and time is 2 years and the rate of interest I'll enter as 5. Then you can see the simple interest for 2 years at the rate of 5% for 100 rupees is 10. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.